guys, welcome to Watkins Way. Today we're going to make a whiskey sour. When I was a bartender about 50 years ago, whiskey sours were really popular. People drink them every day. Not so much today, but it is a good drink. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some Wild Turkey 101. That means it's 101 proof. I'm going to use egg whites, and that's going to give us a nice frothy top. I'm going to use lemon juice, and just so you know, it's 2 ounces, 2 ounces, and 2 ounces. It's going to be a little tart, and what I like it just a little, not so tart, a little bit sweet. And so I'm going to use, and I got this at Trader Joe's, agave syrup, and I'm just going to use just a splash of that when I make the drink. So let's get busy making our drink. What we're going to do, I went on Amazon not too long ago and I bought this whisk ball, and I dropped this in my shaker. And what it does is when I put the egg whites in with the 101 proof bourbon or 50.5% alcohol, and then I got the citrus with the lemon juice. You shake it about 15 seconds or so. Don't worry about the egg whites not being cooked. They will be cooked. Then we're going to add some ice, shake it again. Then we're going to strain it into a highball glass over a large cube of ice. We're going to garnish it with a cherry, and then we're going to drink it. That's the fun part. All right, so let's get busy. I'm going to use 2 ounces of Wild Turkey, egg whites, and I did. There's a seed in there, but that's all right. Get a little extra. So when you shake this up, since you got the egg whites in here, it's going to build up a little bit of pressure. So just be aware of that. It could, like, I've had it blow this whole thing off before. So let's shake it up really good. See, just got pressure right there, just after about 3 or 4 seconds. So I shook that for 20 seconds. So let's add a little bit of ice. I got my ice machine down here. And we're gonna put some ice in here. I'm gonna do another scoop. Okay, so got this in here. Put that right there. And let's shake this again. All right, boys and girls, this is our whiskey sour. As you see, the egg whites will just rise to the top and kind of separate from the whiskey and the lemon juice. This egg white whiskey sour, we're going to garnish it with a couple of cherries. And I did it on purpose so I could lick that off. I like the cherries. So anyway, that's our whiskey sour. Egg white whiskey sour. Now comes the good part, the Watkins way. I gotta taste it. So good. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, hit the bell. See you next time. Bye.